Hi guys, I'm going to do a review on the FNB app for the Android phones. So let me just open the FNB app. So this is the main landing page for the FNB app. It has some basic things here, as you can see. I will go into some of them later on. On the top left, you have your main menu, messages. I guess this is where the messages come if they send you. I've never received any messages here. Then you have the e-wallet, which I have not registered for, so I guess I cannot show you that. And then obviously we have the services, where this is which allows you to log into your app. So let me go ahead and log into my FNB account. So FNB has a password and not a 5-pin like the other, like Standard Bank. You need a password with alphanumeric and a character. So as you can see, this is the main page of it. Shows you your different type of accounts. So I have a smart account, I don't know what a connect is, and the investment, which is a fixed deposit. So I have the 3 different accounts that you see here. So on the top left is a menu. It shows you all the options you have. It's a simple navigation, easy. You have all the options on the left side. Just can scroll up and down. If you go to accounts, yes, you come back to the main page. You can select the account. So I've selected my account. It shows you your mini statement, not for very long, maybe last 3 months. I've blurred out all my details. Okay, let me go back. Then you can also click on the arrow that I just clicked. It gives you a few more options for that account that you selected. So those are some of the options. Let me go to the first option. It shows you the card details, Mr. when it expires. If you check there, you can cancel the card, update the limits. I'm not going to do any of that. So you can buy prepaid. I'll show you that later on. You can play the lotto, pay someone, transfer money, detail the balance. Let me go to that. So it shows you the exact all the details of your balance. I don't even know. Yeah, that's it. Let me hit back. Then you can stop an order. You can do stop order. Go to add. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Then account information. It shows your account number and the branch code. Account settings. You can email your statement to 3 different email addresses. I'm not gonna go ahead and do it because I think they do charge for it. Then investment. If I go to the investment account, there's very few options because it's a fixed deposit. There's nothing much I can do from this account here besides these few options. So that's your menu. Okay. Transfer. This is for transfer when you want to do some transfer. So from my smart account, I want to transfer some account to the fixed deposit. I can do it. I believe if you have a credit card, it will also appear for you to do transfers between your account and the credit card. Payments. As you can see, I do not have any beneficiaries. If you had them, they would appear here. So I'm going to add a beneficiary here. You can specify the account details, branch code. You can just punch in the branch code. I'm gonna go back. You can select the bank. As you can see, there's a list of banks already. Let me just hit continue, so you can see which you can send money to these different countries, Namibia, Swaziland, Lesotho. Let me go back. So you can add a beneficiary straight from your app, and you also have public if you want. Okay, that's still back to public. Yeah, so there are. Let me just show you how it works. I'm just gonna put GOV and see what it can search for. So you see, there are already some of the accounts that they have verified for you. Let me go back. Let me go to send money. That's obviously for the e-wallet. I have not registered for it. Go to prepaid to buy your airtime, electricity, and iTunes. Let's go to airtime. As you can see, it does show your last number that you bought the airtime for, and Vodacom, it has Vodacom SMS, data, bundles, data, Vodacom BlackBerry, MTN prepaid, MTN SMS, MTN data, Cell C prepaid, Cell C SMS, Cell C data, Cell C all-in-one, Telecom mobile, airtime, Telecom data, FNB Virgin Mobile, FNB Connect Surf, FNB Connect Surf, ADSL and 3G. So those are the different networks available. So let me just go ahead and select one so you can see the different type of amounts. That's for Vodacom, you see. Let me just go to another one, maybe Telecom Mobile. Then on the right side, obviously you can select the different amounts. 1 gig 180 rand, 2 gig 349, etc. You have different options there, and you enter the number and you hit purchase, so simple as that. Then you have buy electricity. I'm not sure if there's people who have used this and it has worked. I've not tried this out yet. On Standard Bank app I tried, it did not go through. I'm not sure on the FNB whether it works properly. So prepaid, let me go back to prepaid. Then you also have the iTunes South Africa store, and on the right side you have the different types of amounts that you can buy, 250, 400, etc. Then you can also play Lotto straight from your account. Let me go to Lotto. I'm gonna just you'll see some options there for it. I'm gonna choose some numbers. So you can see it's 3 rand 50 cents. But to play, when you play Lotto using the FNB, you have to play 2 boards, so which will be 350 plus 350, plus there's some charges for it. So if you don't select 2 boards, you cannot play. So you have to select 2 boards. And they say if it's below 50,000, the money comes straight into your account. I've never got anything, so I don't know. Let me go back. You'll see the different options you have here. You can view your winning numbers, the view jackpot, view divisions. Let me go back. Same thing with Powerball. You can choose the number, you can view the history. Same thing as Lotto. So let's go to messages. As I showed you before, that's where some messages come from FNB. I don't have any. eBucks, never registered for eBucks, so there's nothing there. Then the shares, no share account available, not for me. Forex, and I'm sure I have nothing there also. Yeah, I can also check the Forex rate right here, which is quite useful. Let me go back. Services. Go back to the main menu. Not exactly main menu, but you have some different options here. Settings. You can change password and daily limits. I'm not gonna go even into that. And that's it. And symbol. There's the main page. So that's the review. As you can see, it's a very simple app, easy to use, easy to navigate. It's quite fast. So decent, good looking. Hope you guys liked the review. That's it. Thanks for watching.